Hello, good morning, students. We are today going to study the furnaces used in various heat treatment processes. So, in that, before going to study the furnace types, we'll understand or we'll revise that part whatever we are studying in the heat treatment. Basically, what is metal heat treating, where it is used, why and how it is done, and different processes which you already studied in your heat treatment processes as well as different equipment. Now, what is heat treating? Okay, controlled heating and cooling of metal to change its properties and performance. For heat treatment क्या देतो आपण for changing the properties as well as performance of the material. Materialचा performance सुद्धा change होतो. Through through heat treatment, we can change in microstructure as well as we can change in chemistry or composition of the material. Like we have studied the surface heat treatment like case hardening, like carbonizing or nitriding. We are changing the chemistry composition, but in some cases we are changing only microstructure. That heat treatment is to change its property or performance of the material. Now, basically, heat treatment is a combination of heating, soaking, and cooling. Student, I guess I got hello, how is it? Students, am I audible? Yes, Sirsagar. Yes, I got hello,
Yes, sir.
आवाज होतो माझा पीपीटी शेअर झाली का heat
Yes.
treatment झाले शेअर ओके so heat treatment it is the combination of operations heating holding called as soaking that holding to soak and then cooling. Now these two dotted lines that means cooling rate can be changed fast cooling or slow cooling rapid cooling or slow cooling as per our desired type of heat treatment process. So in this way we can get this different crystal structure different microstructure of a material with the help of heat treatment. Heat treating of metal represents approximately 100 BCF gas load nationwide. Heat treaters use natural gas to supply about two-thirds of the energy used for heat treating, induction, vacuum, and commercial atmosphere's main competition. Now, current share of gas decision is about 50 to 50 between gas and electric heat treatment. Okay. Now, what is heat treatment or why it is used? Soften a part that is too hard. जे पार्ट खूप हार्ड असतात त्यांना सॉफ्ट करण्यासाठी आपण ट्रीटमेंट करतो कधी कधी समटाइम harden a part that is not hard enough sometimes some parts are not hard enough so for that also to increase hardness either or to decrease hardness either then put hard skin or parts that are soft some parts are too soft so to put some hard skin while giving the heat treatment then make good magnets out of the ordinary material. After giving some heat treatment, we can also magnetize some material or make selective property changes within the parts. In some material, we can change the selective property by giving the heat treatment. Now, what is the heat treatment basically? Basically, aircraft industry, automobile industry, automobile manufacturing, defense sector, then your forging industry, foundry industry, heavy machinery and manufacturing, powder metal industry. These are the different industries uses the heat treatment. Just a minute, student. Just wait. लेक्चर आहे का समोरचं उघडलंय आता बसू द्या अर्धा तास बसू द्या बसू द्या हॅलो, तुला आवाज येतोय ना माझा? मग आपण बघतोय ही ट्रीटमेंट कुठल्या कुठल्या कंपनीत वापरतो आपण. द इंडस्ट्री लाईक एअरक्राफ्ट इंडस्ट्री, ऑटोमोबाईल मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग, डिफेन्स सेक्टर, forging foundry, heavy manufacturing machinery, or powder metal industry. Powder metallurgy म्हणतो आपण. These companies uses these heated components like this aircraft industry or automobile industry मध्ये बघा स्पार्क प्लग वापरतो आपण. ऑटोमोबाईल मध्ये आपण टू व्हीलर्स मध्ये स्पार्क प्लग वापरतो. That basically this material is called as cermet. This white portion is ceramic and other portion is metallic. This is a combination of ceramic plus metallic. That is material is called as cermet in your MEM. Bro. So this cermet like material that is used for this spark plug of your two wheelers. So such spark plug materials also require some heat treatment. So these are the different industries which requires the heat treatment. Then what industry sectors using heat treatment like steel mills, iron and steel foundries, metal fabrication, machinery and electrical and electronic equipment, transportation equipment, commercial heat heating or steel service centers also uses the heat treatment. Commercial heat treatment and
हाँ फोन
just a minute.
करो अलग है
These are the various commonly heated metals. Ferrous metals like steel, cast iron alloys, stainless steel, tool steel, or non-ferrous metals like aluminum, copper, brass, titanium. Steel is the primary metal being heated. More than 80% of heat treating is done for steel. Normally, बघ आपण heat treatment जे बघतो, among that 80% is done for only steel. So these are the heat treatment already we have studied, student. Again, we'll study that in some in brief. Annealing is basically to remove the undisturbed surface. So annealing is of different types. These are the three types of annealing: full annealing, stress relief annealing, and spheroidizing annealing. Then also normalizing which uses the air cooling. So basic difference in annealing and normalizing. Annealing cooling is done in furnace only, whereas in normalizing we are giving the air cooling. That is somewhat faster. So this is the annealing types. Then
अब
normalizing
सागर
we are
लेट हो
using
रहा
air
है
cooling.
प्रैक्टिकली
Then hardening and
वर्कशॉप में
tempering. Conventional hardening and tempering, us tempering, mar tempering. That is the again we are reheating sometime. But tempering is the reheating of the component. Hardening मध्ये होतं materialचा hardness खूप वाढून जातो. That is not desirable in many applications. So after getting your hardening like heat treatment, you have to again reheat the component by another heat treatment process called as tempering. Tempering is the reheating. Hardening मुळे जो हार्डनेस वाढलाय, तो ब्रिटलनेस वाढला एखाद्या मटेरियलचा तो कमी करण्यासाठी आपल्याला टेम्परिंग सारखे हीट ट्रीटमेंट करावी लागते. सो टेम्परिंग कॅन बी क्लासिफाईड एज ऑस टेम्परिंग और मार्क टेम्परिंग. Okay. Then also we have studied the case hardening. Case hardening like we are changing the chemical structure. Like carburizing मध्ये आपण कार्बन ऍड करतो. In cyaniding we are adding carbon and nitrogen. Or in nitriding we are adding only nitrogen. Whereas carbonitriding again combination of carbon and nitrogen we can add. Then we are studying the surface hardening treatment processes. Surface hardening means we are just heating the outer surface with the help of flame, oxygen and acetylene gas flame. We are given the flame hardening and induction hardening. We are placing that component to be heated in that induction coil and the high voltage current is passed through that coil so that that current is producing the required heat. That induction hardening. Then steps in heat treatment. Cleaning sometime is there. Cleaning pre-wash with cold surf, pre-phosphate system, spray rinse. Then after heating, there is preheating, heating, and soaking also there. Soaking is to hold it, to diffuse that heat at a uniform state. Sometimes bigger component require this soaking. मी सोकिंगमुळे काय होतं स्टुडंट लक्षात घ्या. Whenever I am given some higher temperature heating, so material will take some time to acquire that uniform heat. So for that soaking or diffusion is done. Then pre-cooling. Pre-cooling नंतर आपल्याला मेन quenching करायचं असतं cooling. That is cooling. And after cooling, there's some maybe sometime post wash also there. And as I told you, some hardening processes requires some tempering or some surfaces. So hardening processes to decrease that more hardness बरोबर ब्रिटलनेस जो वाढला वाटायचा किंवा हार्डनेस वाढलाय त्यामुळे समटाइम देर मे बी सम क्रॅक ऑन द outer surface. So for that we have to use the another heat treatment process called as the tempering. Tempering is reheating the component to acquire the required hardness. So commonly used equipment for heat treatment processes towards metal cleansing or wash rinse equipment, gas fired furnaces. आता आपल्याला फर्नेसेस बघायचं आहे थोडक्यात स्टुडंट. देन इनडायरेक्ट फायर्ड फर्नेस. इनडायरेक्ट फायर्ड फर्नेसमध्ये रेडियंट ट्यूब और मफल्ड पाईप फर्नेस और रिटॉर्ट फर्नेस. आपल्याला मफल फर्नेस शिकायचं स्टुडंट पुढे. देन मोल्टन सॉल्ट और लीड बाथ and fluidized bed or electrically heated furnaces like induction heating, induction or electrical resistance heating, or other like laser heating or electron beam heating also there. Then quenching or cooling equipment, water handling system is there sometimes. Testing and quality control laboratory equipments are there in overall heat treatment. These are the gas-fired heat treating processes. Student, बघा लक्षात घ्या सगळं. हे वेगवेगळ्या फर्नेसेसचे फोटो दाखवले इथं बघा. आपल्याला इथं बॉक्स टाईप फर्नेस शिकायचा आहे आणि मफल टाईप फर्नेस शिकायचं आहे आपल्याला. तो मफल टाईप फर्नेस और बॉक्स टाईप फर्नेस आपल्याला बघायचं पुढे. So these furnaces may be having different vacuum heated furnace, box type furnace, top loading, वरतून loading, there are top loading furnace, top loading heat furnaces. These are the different furnaces which can be used in various heat treatment. Then vacuum furnace is there. Due to vacuum also, there is a furnace in heating activity there. Electrical atmosphere furnace or induction equipment is there. So these are the different heat treatment process furnaces. The student will go to the next important part, that is furnaces. So we'll understand what is furnace. Muffle furnace आपल्याला बघायचं सोड. So this is a muffle furnace. Student लक्षात येते का? हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, आहे का जागेवर सगळेजण? हॅलो स्टुडंट्स.
Yes, sir.
हां, आपण ही ट्रीटमेंट प्रोसेस शिकलेली आहे बघा. ही ट्रीटमेंट प्रोसेसमध्ये बेसिकली हिटिंग, सोकिंग अँड देन कुलिंग. मग हिटिंग जे करतो आपण, हिटिंग कॅन बी डन विथ दिस डिफरंट फर्नेसेस. त्यातलं एक फर्नेस शिकायचं आपल्याला, मफल फर्नेस. मफल फर्नेस बेसिकली काय आहे, steel products are heat treated after forming in order to establish desired mechanical properties. बरोबर, काही स्टील प्रोडक्ट जे असतात त्याला हीट ट्रीटमेंट कशासाठी करतो आपण, फॉर अचिव्हिंग द रिक्वायर्ड प्रॉपर्टीज. मफल, आपल्याला मफल फर्नेस शिकायचं आहे. मफल काय आहे, मफल और रिटॉर्ट फर्नेस. मफलला काय रिटॉर्ट फर्नेस म्हणतात, रिटॉर्ट फर्नेस म्हणतात त्यांनी. Retort furnace is used for the heat treating process when a control atmosphere is needed. When a control atmosphere is needed, using this muffle or retort furnace, the atmosphere may be controlled to prevent oxidation or to enhance surface hardness. An infrared thermometer is used to monitor the process temperatures or to assure consistent product qualities and efficient process operation. So that muffle furnace is used for the control atmosphere is required for given the heating. We have to require the stable atmosphere, control atmosphere. Then we are using this muffle furnaces. Laboratory furnaces are also called as, then bench type furnaces are there, ashing furnaces, muffle furnaces, chamber furnaces. These are the different furnaces. The working principle of laboratory furnaces is to heat the furnace by heating resistance which work by electricity. Okay. Now laboratory furnaces मध्ये अजून muffle furnaces काय आहे, muffle furnaces or ashing furnaces, they are used to heat testing specimens or small pieces up to high temperatures such as over 1000 degrees Celsius. Most of the time purpose is to perform high temperature test. Now in this furnace the material to be heated does not come in contact with the fuel or flames. Muffle furnace मध्ये जे आपण हिटिंग करतो, तर ज्या मटेरियल आपल्याला हिटिंग करायचं आहे त्याचा आणि त्या हीटचा काही कॉन्टॅक्ट होत नाही. हीटचा त्याचा आणि त्या गॅसचा, त्या फ्युएलचा कुठल्या प्रकारे कॉन्टॅक्ट होत नाही डायरेक्टली. मफल इज अ चेंबर. बेसिकली मफल फर्नेस मध्ये आपण काय बघतोय, मफल इज अ चेंबर मेड ऑफ रिफ्रॅक्टरी मटेरियल. रिफ्रॅक्टिव्ह मटेरियल पासून बनवलेलं अँड इज सराउंडेड बाय फ्लेम्स अँड हॉट गॅस ऑन ऑल साइड्स. मफल फर्नेस मध्ये आपण बघतोय मफल हे काय चेंबर आहे, ते चेंबरला काय रिफ्रॅक्टिव्ह मटेरियलचे चेंबर बनवले. त्या रिफ्रॅक्टिव्ह मटेरियल मध्ये आपल्याला जे कॉम्पोनंटला हिटिंग करायचं आहे ते कॉम्पोनंट ठेवले आतमध्ये, आणि ते बाहेर मफलचं चेंबर आहे, ते चेंबरला बाहेरून आपल्याला फ्लेमच्या किंवा हॉट गॅसच्या सहाय्याने हिटिंग करायचं आहे इनसाइड मटेरियलला. द प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ कम्बशन अँड आर रिमूव्ड थ्रू अ डोअर. बरोबर, ही ट्रीटमेंट झाल्यानंतर एक तिथे प्रॉपर डोअर असणार आहे त्या फर्नेसमध्ये प्रोव्हाइड केलेलं. त्या डोअरमधून आपल्याला ते कंपाऊंड काढायचे किंवा ठेवायचे असतात बरं हिटिंग करताना. मफल furnace is used for the extraction of zinc, preparation of red lead, that is Pb3O4, and for testing the purity of precious metals like silver and gold also. In an electric muffle furnace, the chamber is surrounded by a resistance coil. Okay. The muffle furnace is one of the important laboratory equipment which is widely used in various industries. There are a number of applications in which muffle furnace is used. कुठे कुठे वापरतो आपण muffle furnace? For drying enamel coats. कोटिंग जेव्हा करतो आपण enamel coating, ते ड्राय करण्यासाठी सुद्धा muffle furnace वापरलं जातं. Then for heating ceramic products, glass working, etc. So we are using this heating for different applications. The muffle furnace is generally made of ceramic fiber wool insulation and comes in configurations such as box furnace, benchtop furnace, portable furnace or industrial ovens and more. Furthermore, muffle furnace can be chosen as per the fuel type. For example, there are various furnaces which can be run by gas and electricity also. So let's take a tour of the one of the muffle furnace which is managed by Bionic Scientific. No, Bionic Scientific is one of the company which has manufacturing this muffle furnace. Bionic Scientific is a leading muffle furnace manufacturer in India and offers muffle furnaces for कुठे कुठे muffle furnace तयार करतात ते वापरण्यासाठी. Muffle furnace used for various laboratories, muffle furnace for scientific labs and universities as well as for various industries. तर वेगवेगळ्या कंपनीत लागणारे muffle furnaces ही बायोनिक सायंटिफिक नावाची कंपनी तयार करते. मग त्याचं फॉर एक्झाम्पल आपल्याला बघायचं स्टुडंट पुढे. So this is the one of the typical Bionic scientifically तयार केलेलं muffle furnace दिसते समोर आपलं बरं. So these are the different furnaces made by this Bionic Scientific company. You can see that there is a at the top of the there is a lid is there, and you can temperature limit is of around 1800 degrees Celsius in particular furnace. You can see there is a heating coil is there. Oh, surrounded by the heating coil for doing the proper heating. Then temperature setting knob is there in front of the panel. On that control panel, there is a temperature setting knob is there to maintain the proper temperature. And this is a heat chamber. This vacant empty space, that is a heating chamber in which you have to place the component to be heated to be given the heat treatment. So this is one of the example of muffle type furnace. These are the three separate furnaces. One, two, and three. These are the three number of muffle furnaces are there, which where this heating is can be done by this heating coil, which is surrounded in that heat chamber. So and with this temperature setting knob, we can maintain the temperature. That is your muffle furnace students. The outer case or cabinet of this muffle furnace is made of this PCRC, Paints and Coating Resource Center. Okay, the PCRC is the muffle furnace made by this outer surface. So sheet with the thick perforated sheet on the bottom. बरोबर, bottom वर काय ठेवले thick perforated sheets पण ठेवले. The case is painted with stove enamel that keeps the unit rust free. Don't just made wait. आवाज येतोय माझा? जस्ट मिनिट मी सुरू करतो. So the outer case is made by this ECRC metal coating, and inside there is a perforated sheet at the bottom. You can see at here in your previous slide. So in this way, this heating that muffle furnace can be made by this Bionic Scientific company. Now the case is painted with stove enamel that keeps the unit rust free. For heating elements, class A1 heating wires are used in coil form and embedded in high-grade refractory cement and backed by high-temperature servo insulation. This helps in keeping the unit safe from the loss of energy and also ensure uniform distribution of heat. Muffle furnace जे आहे students, muffle furnace is used for basically to give the controlled heating to the entire मटेरियल. जे काही मटेरियल आपण त्या फर्नेसमध्ये ठेवलंय त्या पूर्ण मटेरियलला प्रॉपर कंट्रोल टेम्परेचर मेंटेन करण्यासाठी आपल्याला ही मफल फर्नेस वापरलं जातं. द डोअर कम्स विथ स्ट्रॉंग लीड. डोअर कसं आहे? दॅट इज अ स्ट्रॉंग लीड विच कॅन बी यूज टू ओपन अँड क्लोज द युनिट ॲट एनी टेम्परेचर. रिक्वायर्ड टेम्परेचर मिळाल्यानंतर यू कॅन ओपन अँड क्लोज द डोअर. द टेम्परेचर कंट्रोल युनिट comprises of regular control in front of the unit with pilot lamps. The unit is supplied with strong main lead and thermal fuse. The unit is run on normally 220 volts AC supply. Okay. The muffle furnace application. कुठे कुठे वापरतो आपण muffle furnace student? The volatile ash, moisture, ash fusion and elements in coal and coke analysis करण्यासाठी आपण वापरतो. Then to sintering, melting metal, ceramic, silver, gold, and other metals for also we are using this muffle furnace. Then for creating enamel coatings, baked poultry and porcelain pots and plates and other articles also we are using muffle furnace. Now these are the main specifications of furnace. One of the example of muffle furnace is given. Maximum temperature range is around 900 to 1700 degrees Celsius. Then insulation time. The time may require from 0 to 999 minutes. The accuracy is given as per control temperature and time in various parameters. Heating rate is around 20 to 25 joules per minute. Heating element का है L. That silicon carbide tube MOSI2 rod is there for given the heating, proper heating. Then control system, programmable control with the help of LCD digital controller. Power is of 3 to 4 kilowatt. Power supply is around 120 to 20 and 380 watts. Chamber size is customized. Muffle furnace features. Muffle furnace chamber. Chamber is made of advanced ceramic fibers, which is more efficient than refractory brick. बरं, muffle furnace मध्ये काय असतं? फर्नेस चेंबर का इट इज ॲडव्हान्स सिरेमिक फायबर्स. जे फर्नेस चेंबरमध्ये आपल्याला हिटिंग कॉम्पोनंट ठेवायचे, त्याला हिटिंग करायचं ते चेंबर काय आहे? ॲडव्हान्स सिरेमिकचं बनवलं, सिरेमिक फायबरचं बनवलेलं, हॅव्हिंग सो Shinto muffle furnace is self-weight of the traditional furnace, but the having heating rate is twice than the traditional ones. These are different muffle furnaces. Examples: temperature control. Shinfo adopts LCD through screen temperature control system can be done. No? Shell of the muffle furnace. Muffle furnace are used double shell. Shell the outer shell है, to avoid over high temperature. We design radiator fan or ultra temperature furnaces. Shell are painted by special high thermo stable paint. Color can keep all well overnight high temperature environment. So this is your muffle furnace student. Muffle furnaces are used at various important applications student. So just try to understand this muffle furnace or box type furnaces. Because you are one of the practical is also there. Just a minute student, just wait. Can show you that last practical. That is on different furnaces only. How many students? How many students? Just do it. Here, just me, I'm sharing the screen. So just do it. I'm stopping this screen and I am sharing the screen. Just wait, students. So students, I'm sharing your manual actually. Manual मध्ये 14 practical जे बघा. That is 14 practical number 14. Practical number 14. In that practical number 14, use muffle or box type furnace. Use muffle or box type furnace to determine the effect of oil, water, and brine. No, these are the different quenching medium. Brine is the water plus salt, or normal water or normal oil as quenching medium on the hardness of mild steel. बरं muffle आणि बॉक्स टाइप्स फर्नेसेस वापरायचं आपण बघितलं आज आपण स्टुडंट muffle it is the storing area. It is a particular chamber in which we can store the different component to be heated and we have to give the controlled atmosphere to that heated matter. Okay. So in this way, students, muffle furnace is one of the important part of your heat treatment processes. Muffle furnace is used at various applications like aeronautical industries or various important applications, students. So muffle furnace are either box type furnaces. These type of furnaces can be used to give the required control type of heating.